Ever feel like going house hunting seems like a tedious job? And then you hear one of your relatives' house is up for sale. Then consider buying from a family member. Then this video is for you. Look, in today's video, we are going to talk about buying a house from a family member. When it comes to real estate transactions, there are two categories: arm's length transaction and a non-arm's length transaction. Look, arm's length transactions happens when you have no prior personal or professional relationship. For example, you are going to purchase a home from someone you don't know. Purchasing a house from a family member or a friend falls in the category of a non-arm's length transaction. So here are tips for buying a house from a non-arm's length transaction. Number one, have a clear and open discussion about the average utility costs, taxes, or any home association fees. Number two, still consider working with a real estate agent. Number three, don't skip the inspection. And finally, number four, make sure you understand the terms and agreement before signing anything. Look, it's easy to just buy blindly out of your pre-existing trust to that family member. But this is something that you're going to be spending your resources on, so make it count. Look, it is vital that you still make sure that you're buying smart. It doesn't matter if it's from a family member or anyone else. It never hurts to double check and make sure that you're getting what is in the deal completely.